Good afternoon. We kind of have our last full week in the apartment, and next Monday, the carpet people are gonna come to our new house and put in the new carpet that we picked out. So it's kind of a grayish blue with a little bit of brown mixed in. And we won't be able to paint for a little while because we want to save up a bit more before we start that project and buy all the paint. But I think we know what we want to paint the house. It looks like a white, but it is a very slightly blue swatch. So I think it'll look really nice with the carpet that we chose. It works.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I do a grande iced toffee nut latte, please? Good morning, happy Wednesday. I'm hoping I can really just check off things on my list. After work, I have youth group. I'm a youth group leader at my church, so I'll head over to the church pretty much right after work. And so it's gonna be a busy day, but it'll be good. And I'm excited. All right, we have everything, almost everything taken out. And it's time to say goodbye to what was literally our dream apartment. We loved this place so much. Gotta take this mirror and a couple other small things. Goodbye, office. Goodbye, beautiful kitchen. I'll miss you the most.